session is very special because we are going to discuss about the common grammar mistakes, right? So all my little children, are we ready?
Yes,
we are
yes.
So I will be giving you the wrong sentence and you have to make it correct. So the first one is, she do cooking every day. What
Yes,
is wrong in this? Yes, Kusumji.
No.
He does,
She
ma'am.
does cooking every day. Every day.
She
She
does
does.
cooking every day. Second one, I am having two brothers. Right, Renaji. Renaji.
Ma'am, it's like I have two brothers.
Exactly. Then we come to the next one. Open the light.
Turn on the light.
Turn on the light. Turn on the light.
Okay.
Interesting. The same one coming up. Close the fan.
Switch off the fan.
Turn
Yes,
the
Turn off the
Sangeeta ji.
fan.
Switch
Turn
off
off the fan.
the fan.
Turn off
Or
the fan.
Switch off.
turn
Yeah.
off the
Switch
fan.
off.
Switch off
Ah.
is the most natural way.
Okay.
Then next one. He is my cousin brother. He
He's
is
my
my
cousin.
cousin. Yes. He is my
Yeah.
cousin. We no need to write
Cousin.
brother. The reason is
Okay.
that
Brother.
in English, cousin itself includes gender. So when we have used he,
Yeah.
it means brother. So we no need to write, and we commit this mistake a lot of time. She is my cousin's sister. You must say
Yes.
she is my
She's
cousin.
my cousin.
Next one,
Then the
myself Ritu.
I am
I
Ritu.
am Ritu. Yes. But Sangeeta ji, you are Sangeeta ji, you are not Ritu. Just kidding. Okay. When I say myself, myself is a reflexive pronoun. And when people ask you for your introduction, you normally say myself, Kusum, myself, Sushma, or myself, Sangeeta. We should say I am, right? Or
I am.
my name is Sangeeta, my name is Kumudini. This way we
Yes,
have to use.
Yeah.
Okay, Kanchanji. The next one is very interesting coming up. She is married with a doctor.
She is
She
married
married
to doctor.
to.
To
Correct.
doctor.
To a doctor.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Again, the next mistake, he is senior than me.
He's senior to
Senior
me.
to me.
To me.
To me. Then we move quickly. Very interesting. She is more kinder than her sister.
She's kinder than her sister.
Kinder. Yeah. More. No need
Exactly.
to use more.
No.
There is need
Exactly.
to use it.
Yes. Next one. I didn't went there.
Did-
I didn't go there. Exactly.
Yes.
We did.
With
Did. We are not
we use
supposed to
first
add
person.
any. We did.
Second
We are not
form.
supposed to
Past
add
second
any.
form.
Verb
Ed.
second form or third
Second
form.
form.
Right. So we did always take its first form, right? Like did
First.
Right.
go,
Second,
did
yeah.
complete, did sleep. But when we speak, we forget. All right. Next one is the most common mistake, I bet. I am agree with you.
I agree.
I
I agree.
No
agree.
need to
No
use
need to use
am.
am.
Yeah.
Yes. Very nice. She is very much beautiful.
He's very beautiful.
She's very
It's
beautiful.
very beautiful.
Don't need to use much.
Next one. Okay. Next one, very interesting. I prefer tea than coffee.
To.
Two. I prefer
Yes.
tea
But
to
we'll not
coffee. Yeah.
use that. We'll
I prefer
I
tea to
tea
coffee.
to
Right?
tea.
Next one is I am hearing music.
I'm listening to
I'm
the
I'm
music.
listening.
listening to
music.
Listening to
Nice.
music.
Very intelligent children. Wow. We say I am. I didn't knew about it.
I'm sorry.
I
No,
didn't
We will
know.
not
continue.
use
I
this.
didn't
Second
know.
form.
I didn't
about.
know
I didn't know.
about it.
Yes.
No.
I
Yes.
didn't know
No.
it. Discuss about the
I'm-
problem. Discuss about
Yes,
the
ma'am.
problem. What is mistake?
May I?
Yes,
May I?
Sushma ji.
Yeah,
Discuss.
about, we can't use about here because we already
Yes.
discussed this subject or anything.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes.
no need to use about with
Yes.
success. With,
Excellent.
yeah. With discuss.
Excellent. Next one is he explained me the story.
He explained the story to me.
Yes.
Yeah.
He explained.
Excellent. Next one,
Do.
very interesting again. We have done. Let's see who is all ears. He is living here since 5 years.
He has been living.
Excellent. He has been living here for 5 years.
5 years.
I met with her yesterday.
I met her.
Yesterday.
I
Not
met her
yesterday.
only.
Sangeeta
I
ji,
met her
excellent. Sangeeta
Yesterday.
is the monitor of the class because she is scoring the highest. All right. He is
He
more
is more
intelligent from
intelligent.
his brother.
He
To
is
his
Than his
brother.
brother.
To his brother.
He
Yes,
is more
then.
intelligent than
Yeah.
his brother.
I told you the answer. He is more intelligent than his brother. And the next one
More
is
than.
he didn't slept well last night. He didn't slept
He
well
didn't sleep
last
last
night.
night.
He didn't sleep
He
last night.
didn't sleep.
Very
last
good, very
night.
good, very good. He didn't sleep. So did plus first form. Did plus V1, first form. He
He asked
asked
where.
me that where I live.
He asked me,
Me where I live.
Where do
Yeah.
I live?
Yeah,
Where
No
do I
need to
live?
use that.
that. Then the next one is she is in hurry.
she is in hurry.
In a
She is
In a hurry.
In a hurry.
In a
In a hurry.
in
A
a
hurry.
hurry. Next one, she came by walk.
On foot. She
He
came
came.
on foot. She came on foot.
Yes, on foot. Sushma ji got it. Next one is which we commit every time. Return back my money.
Return my money.
Will
No need to
Return
use
my
yes,
money.
again.
return my money will not use
Return my
return
money.
back
Not
together.
Return my money. Rena ji, return my money. I'm telling you the answer. I'm not asking for money, right? So when we use return, right? So return के बाद back
Yeah.
की जरूरत ही नहीं है because return includes the meaning of
Back.
back. And
Back,
next
yeah.
one, she goes to office by walk. Yes, she goes to office on foot. And the last, not the least, very easy, which we have already done. Let's see who is the most alert competitor here. And the last one is he is my cousin sister.
He is my
He
cousin.
is
My
my
cousin.
cousin.
He is
He is
my
my
cousin.
cousin.
Excellent, Kumudini ji, you got it. And this is the end of this amazing, amazing interactive session.